I'm Professor Dr. Mahesh Verma, Director Principal of Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences, New Delhi, and I'm President of Indian Dental Association. This is ICOI Symposium, South Asia Symposium. This is happening for the third time in our country. See, implant dentistry has come a long way in our country, and a lot of practitioners now are using implants, and implants have become very predictable, safe, practical, and it is it is giving a good service to patients wherever indicated. Every case, of course, has to be evaluated, whether it is for implants or for other conventional procedure. Today, implants are affordable, and it is all the materials, all the equipment which is related to practice of implant dentistry is very easily available in our country. A lot of companies are marketing implants here, and ICOI is one of the international organization, International College of Oral Implantology, which has 18,000 fellows all over the world. And India, it came to India about 32 years back, and over the years it has sensitized, it has educated, it has brought in education about implant dentistry to Indian dentists, and it is doing a great job promoting, propagating the science of implant dentistry.